Got a great video today here in the Central Florida studios. We're going to be talking about bank statements and a big dreams, a self-employment pathway to home ownership. Now, you've built something for yourself. Maybe you're a photography business, a landscaping company, or something, just an online shop. We're in a gig economy. Everybody's doing these different type of jobs, and there's income that might not be put on those tax returns because they don't tell the full story, but your bank statements do. And now you're ready to turn your hustle into a home. But how, right? So let me introduce you to a path that not everyone knows exists. One built just for self-employed. Meet my friend Jason. He owns a small but thriving landscaping business. His clients love him, his deposits are steady, and business is booming. But when Jason applied for a mortgage through the big banks, he hit a wall. Why? Because they asked for his W-2s or his 1099, and Jason, just like millions of other Americans, don't have that are self-employed. The self-employment doesn't work that way. The lender, they want to see tax returns, and then they're going to take those tax returns and they're going to deduct all those deductions, all those expenses. They're going to remove all that, taking away all the income that you've actually earned. Now, that is a negative impact for your income. So now you have a lower amount, all those write-offs, take it all away, and then guess what? They say, sorry, you don't qualify. Bye-bye. Fix all this stuff. Go ahead and pay more taxes. Don't take advantage of what the tax code is, right? So my friend Jason felt stuck and defeated. But the problem wasn't Jason. It was the process. Here's what Jason and many others like him don't know. There's a loan that's built for people who don't earn a paycheck every 2 weeks. It's called a bank statement loan. No W-2s, no tax returns, just real income through 12 to 24 months of your bank statements. Now here's how it works. The lender / underwriter, it adds up all your business deposits or personal or a blend over the last 12 months through your bank statements. Then they apply a standard expense factor, often 50%. Now, if you can prove lower business expenses working with a CPA, that could be a little bit better. We've seen that all the time. And just like that, you have a qualified income. Real numbers, real approval, and potential, making this a real potential opportunity. So what do you need to qualify? Is basically 12 to 24 months of bank statements, 25% ownership in your business, consistent deposits, a 660 credit score or above. So we can work with that a little bit sometimes. 6 to 12 months of reserves for your payments, that amount of money in the bank for your mortgage payment, wherever that might be. And a clean mortgage history definitely helps. And yes, you can qualify up to 90% financing with no mortgage insurance, depending on your profile. Now, these loans don't just work, they win. For people who have taken risk to better on themselves. So whether you're a realtor, designer, a content creator, whatever you might be, a contractor, you can buy a home without fighting the system that doesn't understand you. You just need the right tools and the right team. Jason was discouraged to be able to get a home, but ended up being a homeowner. So it took a little bit of work, but within 30 days after switching his lender, he closed on his place, and now he calls his own. He has an own home. No tax headaches, no guessing games, just need a lender who understands the story. Now here's the truth. Your income isn't broken. The system is just outdated. Bank statement loans bridge the gap. They're just designed for people like entrepreneurs, freelancers, business owners, dreamers, and doers. But what if a bank statement doesn't tell the full story? What if your deposits are seasonal or your cash flow doesn't really reflect your growth? Stay tuned. My next video, I'm going to break down how to qualify for a mortgage using a profit and loss statement, a P&L, and how that might actually be the best fit for your business. So here's what your next step is. Go ahead and schedule a free analysis of your account, of your bank statements. We'll review your situation, look over your bank statements, and help you map out a clear, confident pathway to homeownership. So the link, my appointment link, is in the description of the video. Just go ahead and click on that, pick your day and the time that best fits you, because you deserve to own a home without all the guessing games. You deserve it. So go ahead and take advantage of that. Next up is my profit and loss loans, another way to qualify as a self-employed individual. Please like and subscribe, share, follow, make comments, reach out, and I'd be happy to get connected with you. Be sure to schedule that appointment, and we will see you there.